In any one year, over 70 Griffith STEM students formulate the Griffith STEM Squad. These are students, undergraduate students, who help Science on the Go and the Griffith STEM Education Alliance with their outreach and engagement events, on-campus and off-campus experiences, in schools and out in the community.
Here we've got the expert zone with the MEMS technology, so that stands for micro-electromechanical sensors. So we're looking at micro-gearing systems at the moment here, which is also really cool. The kids absolutely love it, it's been really good, so you see a lot of them get really involved in the science, which is always good to see.
This event that we've had today is the biggest cutting-edge event we've ever had. We had 350 primary school kids, over 100 STEM ambassadors, so that's 450 school kids on campus today, combined with our 100 STEM squad, which is university students, all engaged in STEM.
Today we are here at Street Science for World Science Festival, and this is Griffith University's Science on the Go outreach team representation. We have our STEM squad, which is over 20 Griffith Sciences students on the ground engaging the community in science.